true story of a Hollywood legend.
Mike Brown. I kill Pluto. I kill Pluto. I kill Pluto.
Give it to Mikey. He'll dislike anything.
And action!
Hit the button, baby. Stay cool. This is a Thor News presentation. Thor News presents
Party dance time.
There's something out there.
Did Planet 9 give the solar system its tilt? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. We are over at I Fortuitously Love Science, talking about Planet X-y type things. Ooh, join us. This article is by Alfredo Carbonetti, who apparently likes having pillars of life as part of his hair. Oh, it's really raining here in Houston. Planet 9, orange, could disturb not only the objects in the outer solar system, purple, but also the 8 planets tilt. Wow, crazy. A long-standing mystery in the solar system might have been solved thanks to the help of an unlikely and unconfirmed object. Planet 9, 2 different teams of astronomers, one from the US and one from Brazil and France, have independently discovered that the presence of a mysterious ninth planet beyond Neptune might have caused the orbit of the other 8 planets to tilt with respect to the sun. Okay guys, can I see proof? Can I see some proof? Thanks. The orbits of the 8 planets we all know and love are not in the same plane. They have a small inclination compared to each other, and they are tilted with respect to the sun. I usually tilt with respect to alcohol. I have a friend Bo. He tilts pinball machines all the time. I think it's the only reason he plays, really. But based on the interaction between the planets and the sun, there shouldn't be such an effect. Say what? Are we about to find holes in your Christian disk theory again? Question mark? Asterisk. The discovery of other planetary systems has allowed us to understand our own solar system better, and several explanations have been put forward to explain the tilt. A temporary interaction with a passing star might have given the planets the right tug. I don't know. I would think, like, past a certain age, getting a tug from somebody wouldn't do that much, you know? You would need better gravity pleasure tools. I mean, I haven't wanted a tug since, like, 12th grade. The tugboat. Or maybe the slant was right there from the start, as the magnetic field of the young sun moved the protoplanetary disk that formed the planets. Maybe Jupiter tilted everything to make sure that everything was just right. Science, it's a lot of maybes. These hypotheses are appealing, but they lack a smoking gun and undeniable proof to be the likely cause of the tilt. For this reason, the 2 teams were looking at alternative culprits, and the existence of a massive potential 9th planet might fit the bill. It would be over here somewhere. That's what we're talking about here. A massive 9th planet that they found in their calculator, but not in their telescope. To be fair to Michael Brown, Konstantin Bedigan, Chad Trujillo, Scott Shepard, it doesn't sound like they're getting a lot of telescope time. Apparently looking for dark matter dingleberries is much higher on the science priority list. Planet 9 has not been discovered yet, asterisk, but it was proposed by Caltech's Michael Brown and Konstantin Bedigan to explain the complex orbits of objects in the outer solar system. Well, it was first proposed by Chad Trujillo and Scott Shepard, but you love science, just not the road journalism, I guess. Now with Caltech's Elizabeth Bailey, who led the study, available on Arvex, they have estimated the impact of Planet 9 on the orbit of objects in the inner solar system. Because we think Planet 9 has a significant inclination, if it exists, then that means it would tilt things. Sweet, Bailey told New Scientist. It's one puzzle piece that seems to fit together, and it really seems to be in support of the Planet 9 hypothesis. Planet 9 is thought to be between 5 and 20 times the mass of Earth, and the large size of an icy planet could have created the tilt in the early solar system. In their paper, researchers show that the induced tilt from the simulation is consistent with the value that has been measured. Dun dun dun. There you go. Science figured out more early solar system science. And maybe Planet 9 is what's causing the tilt moving now. It's like Mother Earth is pole dancing or something. She's got some fly magnetic field moves. Independently, researchers from Brazil and France have come to the same conclusion. Oui, CC. That was yes. Although the driving mechanism is not Planet 9's mass, but the tilt of its orbit. Planet 9 can help explain a lot of curious phenomena in the solar system. Great. An imaginary planet can help us answer all unanswered questions. I guess it's like the dark matter of solar system science. But until somebody sees it with a telescope, it remains just a great hypothesis. All right. Sweet. There we go. The more you know. I guess the more you don't know. Who knows? Peace out. God bless everyone. Thor News
now takes you to a completely different world. The true story of a Hollywood legend.
Mike Brown. I kill Pluto. I kill Pluto. I kill Pluto.
Give it to Mikey. He'll dislike anything.
And action!
hit the button, baby. Stay cool. This is a Thor News presentation. Thor News presents
Party dance time.
There's something out there.
Did Planet 9 give the solar system its tilt? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. We are over at I fortuitously love science, talking about